We want the vaccine, and goodness knows we want everybody that wants one to have one. We just got fewer doses have been delivered than the expectations and desire to have it, so just going to require patience, y'all.
Hotlines, hospital switchboards just overwhelmed as people in Alabama request appointments to get that COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah, people 75 and older plus first responders will start getting their shots this weekend as long as supplies last.
And the Mobile County Health Department planning a first come first serve COVID-19 vaccine event for Saturday.
Yeah, Fox 10 News investigative reporter Brendan Kirby now joins us live with more information. Brendan?
Well, Byron and Lenise, Mobile County health officials say they'll have more information on this later in the week, but it won't be for everyone, just healthcare workers, first responders, and residents 75 and over. The state set up a hotline last week, and it's been overwhelmed. At last count, more than 1.3 million people have called. State officials say they've scheduled thousands of appointments, although that's a number that's constantly changing. Dr. Randy Murphy is the Mobile County Health Department's top epidemiologist. She urged folks at her regular briefing today to exercise discretion in calling that number.
Do not call that number unless you are a healthcare provider, a first responder, or if you're 75 and over. Also, please do not call your local hospitals trying to get in to get vaccinated, because they are now overwhelmed with calls and are having difficulty trying to just receive calls from their patient population. So I understand how frustrating this is.
The intense interest in the vaccine comes amid the unprecedented surge of the virus locally and throughout the country. Officials at the state and Mobile County health departments both announced new records for hospitalized COVID-19 patients. Dr. Murphy says the intensive care units in Mobile are full and that the hospitals haven't been able to accommodate rural hospitals looking to transfer patients. She says local hospitals are also running short of treatments that have proven successful in treating the disease. Even as vaccinations expand to the general population, Mobile hospitals say they still have eligible employees who they are continuing to vaccinate. Assistant State Health Officer Dr. Karen Landers tells me people who have recovered from the virus are eligible to get the vaccine, but she says they shouldn't get it right away.
Recognizing that natural immunity to this virus likely wanes significantly, but given the supply at the moment, persons who have had COVID should wait about 90 days or so before being vaccinated to allow other persons who have not had the disease to have the opportunity to be vaccinated.
Murphy urges patience. She says Operation Warp Speed focused more on development than it did distribution.
Trillions of dollars were put into federal monies, were put into Warp Speed to rush towards the development of a vaccine. And yes, we expected one to become available sometime in 2021, but there were not a lot of federal funds pushed to the states to try to deliver these vaccines. So we're working as hard as we can to try to find solutions.
And again, one of those solutions will be this vaccine program on Saturday. We know that it won't be at a Mobile County Health Department location, but we're light on other details. We will let you know as soon as we find out. Reporting live, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.